Hello, all of you. Hope you are doing good. Today's our topic is SSL certificate. Let's encrypt SSL certificate. We know that nowadays every domain is needed SSL certificate for security purpose. We know that the data is passing through the network through encrypted format if you are giving HTTPS in your domain. So let's see how we can do. Luckily we have a free software for that. Let's Encrypt is the free service provider for SSL certificate. So how to install SSL certificate using the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. It's a free one. So how we can do that? Here I have cbasket.in domain. I need to add SSL certificate for that domain. So how we can do that? First, we have to connect to the SSH prompt. For that, we need putty. I need to use the IP address for that. Here, I'm using IP address. You can use either IP address or hostname. And authentication, I have already. In our last topic, we know how to connect to SSH prompt and creating PPK key. Here, this is the PPK key. I'm opening that. It will ask for username. I'm giving the root username. And I have the password for that. That's the cPanel password. I clear in the window, Control L. Next is we have a tutorial for that, how to install SSL certificate. We can use with comment section. We need CRT bot auto for that. First we have to download it. It's downloaded. Next we have a command to move that directory to user local bin section. Moving that CRT bot to user local bin section. I moved. Then I'll make the owner of that file directory root chon root. Then we have changed the directory permission to 77 chmod 0755. This is the directory and file permission for that. That also we have given. Next is we have to configure let's encrypt certificate. How we can do that? You have to give this command for that. Here Apache spelling is mistaken. Double P I have given. Take out. So it will. I have a lot of domain. It will ask for which domain. I have applied cbasket. As cbasket is 21, you have to give the number 21 and enter. Yeah, I have already certificate is there. I don't reinstall the certificate. It will ask no direct or redirect. I don't want direct to HTTPS. I given. Congratulations, your certificate and chain have been saved. So this is your certificate is generated. You can use HTTPS cbasket.in. So this way you can do your own SSL certificate for your own domain. This simple step and it's a free. We can update it using CRP renew anytime. So we yearly have to renew. This is 1 year license. Next year you have to renew. It's completely free software. So you can enjoy it. Thank you. Have a good day.